Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share your Threads profile, and here's how it's done. Open the Threads app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, share your profile. Right above the replies section, tap share profile. You'll see various sharing options, similar to other apps. You can copy the link, text it, email it, or share it on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Copy your profile link. If you just want to copy the link, tap copy, then open a web browser and paste the link to view your profile. Your profile link will look like this: threads.net slash at your username. Share directly to other apps. If you want to share your profile directly to Instagram, for example, tap Instagram in the share options. It will open Instagram and you can share the link to your followers. That is everything you need to know about how to share your Threads profile. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.